Hey there, if you're feeling stressed, overwhelmed, or just need a moment to reset, let's talk about one of my favorite wellness hacks, cold mist therapy. You've probably heard about cold plunges or ice baths, right? But let's be real. Not everyone's got a tub of ice handy, and not everyone wants that level of shock. Cold misting is the gentle, accessible version, and it works wonders if you want quick relief from tension or anxiety. Here's what happens when you spray a fine mist of cool water across your back. First, that sudden chill. It pulls your attention right into the present. Your brain moves away from looping thoughts or worries, and you get this instant clarity, a reset for your mind. It's almost like someone hit the refresh button in your head. But there's more to it. Cold exposure triggers your sympathetic nervous system just enough to give you a little lift. Think sharper focus, maybe even a natural burst of energy. And when you're stressed, your body is all fight or flight. That cool mist nudges things back toward rest and digest. You're activating your vagus nerve, which helps slow your heart rate and signals to your body that everything's okay. Let's make this practical. Grab a clean spray bottle that mists, not jets. Fill it with cool, not icy water. Now take a few slow, deep breaths, roll your shoulders back, and spray a fine mist across your upper and mid-back. Do this for 15 to 30 seconds, then just let the water evaporate. You'll feel your skin tingle, your muscles relax, and your mind start to unwind. Want to boost the effect? Try a 4-7-8 breath. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 7, exhale for 8, or add a drop of lavender or peppermint essential oil to your water for a sensory bonus. This can be your go-to after a tough meeting, in the middle of an afternoon slump, or anytime your thoughts get a little too loud. Remember, you don't need to go freezing cold. For stress relief, cool is plenty. If you start shivering or feel discomfort, it's too much. This is about gentleness, not shock. So next time you need a reset, skip the caffeine and try a little cold mist therapy instead. It's simple, soothing, and just might be the ritual your nervous system's been craving. Take a breath, give it a try, and let that cool moment bring you back to yourself. Thanks for being here. Your wellness matters.